Hi everyone, welcome back to. Today, we're going to dive into the world of rectifiers and explore their types and applications. If you're new to the channel, don't forget to subscribe for more educational content. Let's start with the basics. A rectifier is an electronic device that converts alternating current, AC, to direct current, DC. AC is the form of electricity that comes from power outlets, which changes direction periodically. DC is the type of current used in most electronic devices and batteries, where the flow is in one direction. Rectifiers are essential in powering DC devices from AC sources, which is the most common form of electricity available. They also play a crucial role in reducing voltage spikes and protecting circuits. Output: there are several types of rectifiers, each with their own advantages and applications. Let's explore them one by one. The half-wave rectifier is the simplest type. It uses a single diode to allow only one half of the AC waveform through, converting it to DC. This type is used in low-power applications, like charging small batteries. Full-wave rectifiers convert both halves of the AC waveform to DC, which is more efficient than half-wave rectifiers. There are two main types: center-tapped full-wave rectifier, which uses 2 diodes and a center-tapped transformer, and bridge rectifier, which uses 4 diodes in a bridge arrangement. These rectifiers are commonly used in power supplies and adapters. Other types of rectifiers include 3-phase rectifier, used in industrial applications, and controlled rectifier, which uses controlled switching devices like thyristors or transistors for power control applications. Rectifiers are used in a wide range of applications such as power supplies, battery chargers, welding machines, and radio and TV receivers. Rectifiers play a crucial role in modern electronics, enabling us to convert and control electric power for various applications. Thanks for watching. If you enjoyed this video, give it a thumbs up and share it with your friends. Don't forget to subscribe for more tech and educational content. Let us know in the comments what other topics you'd like us to cover. Thanks again for tuning in, and we'll see you in the next video.